Welcome to Graduate Chat. Welcome all school leavers, college graduates, university graduates, mature graduates, and everybody that's seeking employment at the moment and asking questions regarding their career. Today's Graduate Chat, we're going to have a discussion around what are transferable skills. Transferable skills are important skills for when you're applying for jobs and also for when you're changing careers. With what's happened recently with COVID, there's been a lot of people doing what they're calling pivoting, which means that they're actually taking the careers that they have and the skills that they have from those careers and going into different jobs. Businesses are doing the same. What they are using is they're using their soft skills and their hard skills, which are transferable skills. So, transferable skills are used for jobs and careers. It's really important to know what these are. It gives you a level of self-awareness. It gives you a level of self-confidence when you're applying for jobs. And when you know and understand what your own transferable skills are, then you're able to do jobs and answer questions in an interview rather effectively. I remember many years ago I was in a situation where I needed to change careers. I'd been working in clerical jobs and I needed to work something without computers at the time because I had a hand injury. And I didn't understand what my transferable skills were at that time, and I found it really distressing. What I realised later is that many of the skills that I use, such as my customer service skills, my ability to problem solve, my ability to prioritise, all of those different sorts of skills were transferable, and I made a successful career elsewhere, which ultimately led me to the career I have today, which is in recruitment, executive career and mindset coaching. So your skills evolve as you do, and they evolve over time and throughout your career. There are two types of transferable skills. One is hard transferable skills, and they're easy to identify and easy to qualify. So from an employer's perspective, if I was coaching an employer, I would say analyse your job and find out which of these hard skills you need. They could be a university qualification, a particular certificate, could be a degree, it could be the ability to operate a particular type of machinery. It might be something like computer programming or typing. So hard skills are great. You can learn them and you can say to somebody, I have a certificate and I can do this. And in certain industries and professions, you need those skills to do the job. You cannot get them if you don't have them. If you don't have the certificate, you just don't even enter into the recruitment process at all. You will be deemed unsuitable for the job and be sent a non-successful letter. So when you're applying for jobs, be aware of those hard skills that are required and make sure that you meet those requirements if you're wanting to get into that particular industry or profession. The other are soft skills. Now these are a little bit harder to determine. Your soft skills are things like time management, people solving skills, the way you handle conflict. It could be your leadership skills, your teamwork, your ability to be flexible, your lovely positive attitude in the workplace. So a lot of people say they will hire on attitude above anything else because they say the other skills can be taught. So these soft skills are really important. We teach a lot of these soft skills through our programs at the Career College because we realise that they are vitally important for the success of your career and also to be successful in your life and in relationships, etc. Networking, your ability to be able to communicate with people and all those different sorts of skills. So soft skills are really important as well. And you need a combination of hard skills and soft skills. So how do you determine what your transferable skills are? You can do a skills audit. That's part of career coaching that we do. And skills audit is that you actually work out which skills you do have and how you can use these in different employment situations. Where do you get your transferable skills? Now that's an interesting question because you get them from a multitude of different places. It could be that you obtain them at school, at college, at university doing those group assignments. It might be a special project that you worked on. It could be volunteering. It could be in your community service or your church group. It may be that you have transferable skills through your hobbies. And that's why I said in one of the other graduate chats, it's really important to do as much volunteering and getting involved as much as you possibly can at school, college and university and in the community and in volunteering, because they are valuable skills which cannot be taken away from you. So as a person and as a job seeker, you become your own product. We will do a session on personal branding and the importance of personal branding and presenting yourself well, both in social situations and in the workplace. However, with your transferable skills, you obtain those and nobody can take them away from you. The knowledge you have, the skills you have, you're working on your own masterpiece is the most important thing that you will do in your life. Learning to cope better with conflict, learning how leadership skills, all of those soft skills are extremely important. How to master your mind, how not to be affected when people are attacking you. These sorts of things are the mindfulness and the career coaching and also the life skills that are vitally important. And they are the difference between whether you get those senior jobs and those roles that you want, or simply whether you're less stressed in the workplace. So in summary, transferable skills are vitally important for your getting a job. There are soft skills which are harder for employers to identify, but they are skills around how you deal with certain situations. They're skills about your ability to be able to cope with life, both personally and professionally. The other skills are your hard skills, which are your qualifications. So your qualifications, of course, your education is a gift to yourself, and wherever you are, you can educate yourself through lifelong learning. Doesn't matter how old you are. I've studied with people at university who are in 75 and they're doing their PhD. I've read of people in their 90s going back to university. I went back to university after many years in the workforce. I owned my own business and I went back to university to study because I realised there was more that I wanted to learn and that I had a skills gap. So studying as a mature age student has its advantages, as does studying straight out of school, but realise that by obtaining more transferable skills, both soft and hard, you can improve your lot in life and you can improve your career. The other thing on finishing I'd like to mention around transferable skills is that they're very important to put on your resume, particularly when I look at young school leavers, university students and university graduates, and this is also important if you are a mature age student, is that the skills that you have learned and that you obtain from other jobs are important to list strategically on your resume and profile those so that employers can find them. Now, the way that an employer is going to find that may not necessarily be by a human resource professional or a hiring manager. It could be initially that you're being scanned by a computer and they've put in keywords into the computer and the computer is doing the first cull of resumes. So transferable skills are important to put on your resume, and also for when you go for an interview. When you know what your transferable skills are and you're in an interview, what you can do is you can express clearly what your transferable skills are. That, however, is not enough. What you need to be able to do is you need to be able to express how you use those transferable skills in the workplace and how they might relate to the job that you're applying for. So overall, transferable skills are skills that you have. They're soft skills and hard skills. They're your ability for your leadership, communication style, decision-making abilities, management, time management, etc. Your hard skills are the qualifications and your ability to be able to do certain jobs, such as operate machinery, use a certain oven, drive a car, drive a certain truck, whatever it is that you're applying for. So thank you for joining Graduate Chat today. When you understand your transferable skills, you will feel very empowered. You will feel more equipped to be able to apply for jobs. You will feel better equipped to be able to apply for a promotion, to apply for a transfer, or to get your first graduate job. Remember, how you present yourself is always important, and as is how you present your transferable skills. Wishing you all the best with your career. Look forward to supporting you. Remember, we have one-on-one coaching for career coaching, resume coaching, job search tips, interview tips, etc. And our next graduate chat is on Monday at 11:30 a.m. Please join us for that graduate chat, where we will expand more on the importance of understanding your transferable skills and how you can present those in your resume. And also we have Monday Mindset for Masters. That's our last Monday Mindset for the year. That Monday Mindset is for people who are more interested in dealing with anxiety, stress, mastering the mind, that wonderful machine that can work for you or against you. Obviously, wisely, one would wish that they had their mind working for them, and that is possible because you do get the opportunity to think and choose the thoughts you have, and mastering your mind is something that is vitally important for your peace of mind and success and how you cope with life in general. Also, it's related to your physical health as well, because if you're stressed, that's going to show up in your body, and stress over time can cause you illness, both mental illness and also physical illness. Some other exciting news for next year. We're going to continue with our graduate chats. We won't be doing them on Thursdays. However, we will be doing them on Mondays, commencing the 11th of January. We're having a little bit of a break over Christmas, as most of us do, and ready to kickstart the new year. We are also introducing 4 graduate chats. So the graduate chats, 4 Monday Mindsets. The Monday Mindsets for the new year are going to be Monday Mindset for Masters. That's a combination of people who've been practicing mastery with us for some time. Many people have been with us for up to 10 years learning mind mastery skills. It's so exciting, wonderful journey to go on. There is no greater journey than the own journey of self-discovery. That's a group forum. We're a group of masters who want to learn about the law of attraction, manifestation, creating new dreams, using the power of your mind, quietening that chattering monkey mind that goes on, and everything around your mind, anxiety, stress, depression, how to deal with conflicting situations. It's all to do with the Monday Mindset Masters. The other Monday Mindset we're doing is for job seekers. That's 100% for anybody that is looking for a job. You could be an executive changing career. You could be self-employed and you're changing career. You could be in a job and wanting to get a promotion or change jobs. You could be unemployed, underemployed, a graduate. It's everything, and it's an open forum to ask any questions. Remember, I've had over 30 years experience in recruitment, profiling people and successfully placing people in jobs and solving company staffing issues, as well as a career coach and mindset mastery background. The other graduate chat that we have is the Monday Mindset for Young Adults. That's for post-school. So that's everybody who has left school, young adults who wants to learn more about careers, mindset, life skills, all of those questions. What you need to get a job, what do you need when you apply for a job? What do you need, when you're going for a license, or how to apply for university, or how to not be so stressed when you're studying, and how to plan for your study, how to plan for exams, anything around young adulthood, navigating relationships, friendships, child bullies at work, all of that sort of thing. A wonderful program. And then we have one other Monday Mindset. I'm just going to try and remember what that one it is. So we've got the Job Seekers Monday Mindset, the Monday Mindset for Masters, the Monday Mindset for Young Adults, and the Monday Mindset for business owners and for executives. how could I forget our wonderful business owners and executives? I didn't really. So Monday Mindset for executives and business owners is for people obviously who are holding executive positions, and for business owners large and small. Now, you may be a young graduate and you may be wanting to start your own business. You may be a mature person working and you've studied part-time like I did. You may be in business and you may be wanting to grow your business. So that's everything around business. So I've been a business person for most of my career. And so that is around business. It's around improving your business, growing your business, profitability in your business, any staffing issues you may have, any recruitment, creating greater cooperation in the workplace, any questions that you have. And it's also a wonderful networking opportunity for people. Ultimately, what it's about is being a conscious business owner, knowing that you are creating your own reality and you can create anything that you want in your life, in your business. So thank you for joining us for Graduate Chat. Look forward to seeing you online. Reminder, the next Graduate Chat is Monday 11:30 and the next Monday Mindset Masters at 7:30 p.m. Queensland time. Look forward to seeing you soon, and remember, identify your transferable skills will increase your self-confidence and self-esteem, raise your self-awareness, make you better equipped to be able to create a great resume, and most of all, you'll be a standout in your interview because you'll be able to articulate what your transferable skills are easily and effortlessly, and also very succinctly in a manner that the employer gets it and chooses you for the job. Best wishes with your career. Thanks, graduate. Look forward to speaking again soon. Until then, be happy, and above all, remember, it is possible to create the life you dream.